Do you know when your machine is in high consumption of memory and you have no idea how to proceed to check which user is consuming a lot of memory or which group of users are consuming a lot of memory? If not, this video is for you. This video is part of a series called How To, and here we can see real quick how to figure this out. So let's jump to the terminal. Alright, if I run ps-aux, I can see a lot of users. Take a look. My first column, all of them are users. So you can see root, Postgres, Foreman. I have different users, Pope, and in your case, you can have different users as well, based on the systems that you do have running, based on the third-party applications that you have installed in your server. So eventually you have some specific users. And if we take a look on this column over here, RSS, or resident set size, this is the memory in use for your system. So I would like to know the top 5 consumers of memory. So let's take a look. Let me put like this, and then we can go step by step, just understand this command. ps-aux. So basically, let me do a head dash and 10, and then we can have an idea. ps-aux is one output of ps in a way that we can see like users, process ID, how much of CPU this process is consuming, memory, resident set size. We can see a lot of fields, but our main point here is about memory. We would like to see the memory. So check this out. The next one, if we take a look on this, is ps-aux, this output, pipe sort. Sort will sort something. By default, sort is gonna sort the first column. Okay, anytime that you run sort against something, that sort will be in the first column. In this case, let me give you this gift or bonus. -k. -k, we are just say, hey, instead of sorting by column 1, the first column, let's sort by column 6. So let's see which one is the 6. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is the 6th column, and this is the resident set size. This is the memory in use for each process. So I'm also passing -nr, which means, hey, use the numerical order and reverse, because by default, the higher number will be at the bottom, and I would like to see on the top. So basically that's it. Let me get here just to keep the screen as well, and then we can have a look. So check this out. We can see that Tomcat is the first one, and then if we take a look on the column, the 6th column, this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Look at that. We have kilobytes, megabytes, gig, 1.8 gig. The next one is something near to 1 gig. This one, 753 megabytes. This one, 750 megabytes. 746, 746, 743, and go on. Okay? And now, my wish is to get the top 5. So now we can clean up the screen. Let's return to this original command and let's run it. So look how beauty it is. Totally deserves your subscription. ps-aux to get the process, sort by the 6th column, reverse and numerical, and just filtering the initial 5 lines. So that's it. We can see this is the top one, and then 1 gig, 753, 750, 746. Pretty neat, huh? Again, this is a part of a series called How To. If you enjoy this kind of content, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know which kind of content you'd like to see in this kind of video. The main idea here is to be quick, straight to the point, and give you all the commands that you need in your daily basis. Alright? Don't forget to subscribe in our channel. If this video is helping you somehow, please subscribe in our channel. This will help me to create more content like this. Okay? I will see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.